My name is Alnoor Mohammed. I've been driving a few years with Tripod.
My name is Greg Vanderhyde. I work for Wessex Incorporated.
My name is Corey Michael. I'm an owner-operator company driver for C&K Trucking.
Nowadays, truth is a scarce commodity, so a dash cam really helps. When a customer complain, saying, oh, one of your trucks was doing this or that, then Stacy can quickly get, into the dash cam, video or feed, and then he can, see what's going on, right?
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, having a recording of what's going on is my livelihood, is to keep my license in good status, right? My bad, I had an incident, I changed lanes and hit another car. I had no idea where that car come from. I kept checking the mirrors and there was nothing there. I'm like lifting myself up, trying to look over the hood and everything. There's just nothing there. If I were to get in that accident and I was on my phone or I was accused of being on my phone, at least the cameras will prove I wasn't on my phone. I wasn't talking, I wasn't being distracted. I was doing what I'm supposed to do.
I got a cousin that drives trucks and he don't have a dash cam. And he was sitting at a traffic light and a gentleman next to him, his back fender was ripped off his car. It was hanging off his car. And he made a claim and said that my cousin sideswiped. You see what I'm saying? And my cousin, he's still fighting that right to this day because he don't have proof. He didn't have proof of what went on in that incident.
It works out great. I'm interested myself, so I look at the end of every shift after you're done driving just to have a recap if there's anything there. So again, it helps it helps me practice better skills. Sometimes I didn't realize how often I was hitting the brakes way too hard until I could see it on the app and think, oh, I'm doing this every day. So you just start, because I know that, then I can change my driving habits.
Seeing that video, it has helped me so much from the fact that slow down. It's simple as that. Just simple as that. Just slow down because you never know what the car in front of you is gonna do.
My advice to the other drivers is, it is a good thing, it is, use it to your benefit per se, you know what I mean? Use it to improve yourself as a driver, use it, to learn from it, because we all develop bad habits over time. It's just human nature.
When management made it clear they're not just sitting there looking at our cameras all day, they got better things to do than see whether or not we brush their teeth. That's not what it's about. They're not spying it. This camera is there for my protection. Because if somebody said they were my fault, even though they weren't, and I don't have a camera, I feel like as a truck driver, I'm not going to be given the benefit of the doubt. So I can make myself a better driver, and the company's definitely going to prosper from that too.